Casinos love predictable players. They love the ones who sit down, play blind, chase losses, and follow the unspoken rules without ever realizing they're being guided by a perfectly engineered environment. But here's the part casinos will never admit. There are certain things players do that absolutely drive casinos insane. Not because they're illegal, not because they break any rules, but because these behaviors make you harder to control, harder to predict, and a whole lot harder to profit from. After speaking with former dealers, pit bosses, floor managers, and surveillance staff, a surprising truth emerges. Smart players aren't the ones who win every time. Smart players are the ones casinos can't read, can't influence, and can't easily profit from. And that's exactly what today's video is about. These are the 10 things casinos hate when players do, because each one chips away at their biggest advantage, your predictability. Let's break them down.
Walking right past the newest, flashiest machines. Casinos spend millions designing and placing machines that catch your eye instantly. Giant screens, neon colors, surround sound, mascots, movie themes, celebrity faces, all engineered to make you stop and play. When players ignore those machines and head straight for older, quieter, less flashy slots, casino managers hate it. Why? Because the newest machines usually have lower RTP, higher volatility, higher entertainment cost, lower long-term return. Older machines, especially classic simple reel slots, often pay more consistently because they're cheaper to operate and maintain. Savvy players avoid the hype. Casinos hate it.
2. Only playing with a set bankroll and actually sticking to it. The average player says they have a budget and then breaks it within 30 minutes. Casinos count on emotion and excitement to override discipline. But the players who walk in with a set bankroll and stick to it no matter what break the entire casino profit model. When your bankroll hits zero and you actually leave, the casino loses its most reliable advantage, time. The longer you stay on the floor, the more you lose. If you leave early, they lose money. Discipline is the biggest enemy of casino profits. 3. Taking long breaks between sessions. Casinos are designed to keep you seated, spinning, betting, and flowing from one machine to the next without stopping. That's why there are no clocks. That's why the floor layout loops in circles. That's why drinks are delivered right to your seat. So when a player stands up, takes a break, gets a snack, walks outside, resets their mindset, or simply steps away for 20 minutes, casinos hate it. Why? Because breaks slow down your spend rate, disrupt impulsive decision-making, reset your emotions, allow you to reconsider your losses, and reduce the chance of chasing. Smart players pace themselves. Casinos want you glued to the machine.
4. Checking RTP, volatility, and return stats before playing. Most players sit down at a slot because it looks fun. But casinos dread the players who actually research the games before putting money in. Players who know which machines have higher RTP, understand volatility levels, look up payout frequency, check online forums, recognize drain machines, are way harder to exploit. Casinos rely on uneducated play. Knowledge is the ultimate threat.
5. Moving fast when a machine turns cold. Many players stay on a cold machine because they think it's due. Casinos love those players. But the players who track performance, notice patterns, keep mental notes, and leave the moment a machine turns ice cold, those players threaten the casino's profit rhythm. The casino's dream player is the one who sits stubbornly on a draining machine. The casino's nightmare is the player who says, "Nope, next." 6. Taking advantage of promotions, multipliers, and free play properly. Promotions exist to appear generous while subtly encouraging more gambling. Most players waste them. But here's what casinos hate. Players who maximize double points days, tier multipliers, free play conversion, bounce back offers, new member bonuses, loss rebates, match play coupons. These players essentially use the casino's marketing budget to reduce the house edge. The smartest gamblers build sessions around promos, not emotions, and casinos absolutely despise it.
7. Playing slow, very slow. Casinos make money on cycles. The more spins you take, the more predictable your losses become. So when a player spins fast, taps fast, slams max bet and keeps chasing, the casino is thrilled. But when a player spins slowly, watches the screen, takes pauses, counts wins, waits between spins, deliberately reduces hourly decisions, the casino's entire profit curve collapses. Fewer spins equals less casino income. Simple math, deadly effective. 8. Leaving right after a big win. This one drives casinos nuts. Most people win big and keep playing until the money is gone. That's exactly what casinos want. But the rare player who hits a big bonus, cashes out immediately, and leaves the building, that person is a problem. Casinos count on psychological gravity. If you stay long enough after winning, you lose it back. Players who walk away break the cycle, and casinos can't stand it.
9. Asking dealers and floor staff real questions. Dealers and managers can't tell you which machines pay better, but they can tell which ones are cold, which ones people avoid, and which ones historically drain or pay fast. Casinos dislike players who ask, which machines are the tightest tonight? Which areas of the floor are cold? Do players win on this model often? Which tables are the slowest? Where do high rollers usually play? They cannot reveal everything, but the right questions make casinos nervous because they show you're thinking strategically, not emotionally. 10. Understanding casino psychology, not the games. This is the one casinos hate the most. Most players only learn the games. Smart players learn the casino. Casinos depend on sensory manipulation, environmental control, soft pressure, convenience traps, reward loops, emotional momentum, near-miss excitement, and lighting and sound engineering. When a player sees through all that and treats the casino like a business instead of a playground, the casino loses its greatest weapon, influence. Understanding the psychology of the room is more important than understanding the game on the screen. Casinos hate the players who know this.
All right, now I want to hear from you. What's something you do in the casino that you think the house hates? Drop it in the comments. Let's compare strategies. If you found this helpful and you want more insider breakdowns from the people who actually understand how casinos operate behind the scenes, make sure to